Dear students, great day. Let us start our session with Geography, Unit 1, Asia and Europe. In this session, we are going to learn about location, physiographic divisions, major rivers of Asia, and natural regions. Asia. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It covers about 30% of the world's land area and about 60% of the world's population. Most of the land of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. It has different types of physical and cultural features. Mountains, plateaus, plains, islands, and peninsulas are the major physiographic features of Asia. Most perennial rivers flow through different parts of Asia. These river valleys are the cradles of ancient civilizations. Location. Area extends from 10 degrees south to 81 degree north latitudes and from 26 degree east to 170 degree west longitudes. It spreads for an area of 44 million square kilometer. Physiographic divisions. Asia is a land of long mountain ranges, snow-capped high mountains, vast plateaus, extensive plains, river valleys, and sea coast. These diverse physical features encourage the people of this continent to involve in diverse economic activities. The physiography of Asia can be divided into 5 major groups. They are the northern lowlands, the central high mountains, the southern plateaus, the Great Plains, and the island groups. Major rivers of Asia. Yangtze, origin Tibetan Plateau, outflow East China Sea, length 6,350 km. Huangshi, origin Tibetan Plateau, outflow Gulf of Bohai, length 5,464 km. Mekong, origin Tibetan Plateau, overflow South China Sea, length 4,350 km. Yenisei, origin Tannula Mountain, outflow Arctic Ocean, length 4,090 km. Ob, origin Altai Mountain, outflow Gulf of Ob, length 3,650 km. Brahmaputra, origin Himalayas, outflow Bay of Bengal, length 2,900 km. Indus, origin Himalayas, outflow Arabian Sea, length 3,610 km. Amur, origin confluence of Sika and Argun rivers, outflow Tata Strait, length 2,824 km. Ganga, origin Himalayas, outflow Bay of Bengal, length 2,525 km. Irrawaddy, origin North Myanmar, outflow Bay of Bengal, length 2,170 km. The natural regions, flora and fauna. Climate, high temperature, high rainfall. Location, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka. Flora, mahogany, rubber, rosewood, sal. Fauna, rhinoceros, tiger, baby rusha, orangutan, Komodo dragon. Climate, summer rainfall, dry winter. Location, India, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, southern China. Flora, teak, sandalwood, bamboo. Fauna, tiger, elephant, Indian cobra, and viper. Climate: extreme temperatures. Location: Arabian Desert, northwest India. Flora: cactus, dates, thorny scrubs, bubble tree. Fauna: bacterian camel, desert aurochs. Climate: dry winter, warm summer. Location: East China, Japan, North and South Korea. Flora: cherry, apricot, plum. Fauna: giant panda, Japanese macaque. Climate: warm summer and winter rainfall. Location: Israel, Lebanon, Turkey, Syria. Flora: figs, olives, citrus fruits. Fauna: lynx, jackrabbit. Climate: long and dry winter, short and cool summer. Location: Siberia, Himalayas. Flora: pine, fir. Fauna: Siberian tiger, wolf. Climate: permanent snow cover. Location: beyond the snow line. Flora: Leeson, Moses grass. Fauna: polar bear, lumbing, Arctic fox. In this session, we learned about location, physiographic divisions, major rivers of Asia, and natural regions. Thank you.